mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. May 25, 2024, Saturday Racing. Starting time ng karera sa araw ng Sabado, alas 4 ng hapon, mas maaga sa regular na time. 7 races, all 7 races ay may distansyang 1,200. Umpisa natin ang ating mga cool choices. Race number 1, first choice number 6, Giselle Love. Second choice number 5, Sound of Silence. Race number 2, first choice number 6, Great Connection. Second choice number 7, Beatrice. Third choice number 1, Smart Julian. Race 3, only choice number 4, King Tiger. Race 4, first choice number 3, Destin Kiss. Second choice number 7, AP Factor. Third choice number 8, Distant Thunder. Race 5, first choice number 5, Agidao. Second choice number 7, King Hans. Race 6, penultimate race, race na may pentapekta. First choice number 1, I Tell You. Second choice number 6, Angry Maxine. Third choice number 2, Sky Lover. Race 7, last race. Race na may Super 6. First choice number 8, Walking on Sunshine. Second choice number 1, Buntay Shore. Third choice number 4, Lucky Julian. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!